Hey, I'm Jillian with Apex Overland, and I'm going to show you a quick and easy maintenance item that you can handle yourself on your 2023 and up Toyota Sequoia. We're going to change the engine air filters or check them today. So the first thing you want to do is come over here and pop your hood. The lever is right here in your dash. And then there's another lever under here. You push it over to the left-hand side. Since this vehicle is a twin turbo, there are actually two engine air filters. You'll have one on the driver's side and one on the passenger side, and they're really easy to check. I believe your owner's manual says every 5,000 miles to check this, and then replace after every 30 or so. But if you have special driving conditions, you'll probably want to replace it more frequently. And then that's it. Check it out. Mine's still clean. I only got 2,500 miles on this. So I'll pop that back in. And then there's two little hooks that you just slide back in, push the cover back down, and then pop the metal clips back in place. And then you'll do the same thing on the other side. Pop it open, check it, all is good. You can see the two little tabs that slide in, push it down, and then pop those metal levers or tabs back in place. And that's it. Thanks for watching.